This is my presentation on sleep hygiene and how it affects young children. There are behavioral sleep problems, which is also known as BSP, and they are sleep problems that occur mainly in the young children, which include difficulties of initiating sleep all by themselves, resistance of bedtime, and then also waking up in the middle of the night and requiring their parents to be there in order for them to fall back asleep. It also affects around 40% of children under 2 and 25% of younger toddlers to young almost teens. BSP can lead to many different issues with the child. It can affect their good sleep as well as their growth, memory, and health. There are also future behavioral problems that accompany BSP, academic abilities, and mental and physical health problems as well. In order to help children receive good sleep hygiene, possibly even ignoring the children if they are crying when they fall asleep will help them. Camping out in a child's room also will provide the comfort of the child because you're by their side, but you yet are not right there comforting them, but they know that you're in the same room. And also just making the room comfortable to the child's liking will help them. We need to educate more people, especially parents, around BSP because I believe that a lot of parents do not know what BSP is and rather just think that their child's not a good sleeper. We need to increase the sleep education in postgraduate and even undergraduate schools to inform young parents and also teenagers who have younger siblings. We also need to have health professionals address the sleep health issues instead of just having parents assume that the child just is a bad sleeper. Also, training in the pediatric workforce more thoroughly will also help the parents and caregivers understand what to do when BSP syndromes start to arrive in a child. Every child must have good sleep hygiene. Sleep is what gets us going. It's good for our mental and our physical health, and different ages require different amounts of sleep. As the child continues to grow, if they're still struggling with BSP, then it's not going to benefit the child as they become adults.